This was not food. This was survival. And most people couldn't last a week on it behind prison walls in early American history, far from the outside world, cut off from comfort, from choice, from dignity. People were fed meals that were never meant to be enjoyed, only endured. And today, we're exposing them. Because some of these prison foods were so extreme, so stripped down, so brutal, that they blurred the line between punishment and survival. One of them was designed to break you mentally. Another had almost no nutrition at all. And one, people were forced to eat in complete silence. Every single day. Stay with me. Because number 6 changes everything. This is not just food. This is control. This is discipline. This is history. You were never meant to taste. Let's go back. Not to modern prisons, but to early American jails, where conditions were harsh, unpredictable, and often cruel, where food wasn't comfort, it was part of the system. Number 15, bread and water. It sounds simple, almost harmless, but inside prison walls, it meant something very different. A small piece of bread, a cup of water, that's it. No flavor, no variation. No nutrition bounds, just enough to keep you alive, barely. Prisoners placed on this diet were often being...
And now, we go deeper, because what you've seen so far was harsh, but it was still understandable. What comes next was different. This is where food became something else entirely. Number 10. This one sounds normal, but inside prison, it became something heavy. Beans. Simple, cheap, filling, packed with calories. On paper, it makes sense. But imagine this, the same beans every single day. No seasoning, no variation, just boiled and served. Over time, it stops being food. It becomes routine, predictable, endless. Now we reach the part where food stops being just food and becomes something deeper, something harder to ignore. Number 4. This one seems simple. Almost normal. Rice. Plain, white, boiled. Easy to make, easy to serve. But inside prison, it became something else. Because again, no seasoning, no variation, just the same soft texture, over and over. And over time, even something as basic as rice becomes heavy. Not physically, mentally. Because there's nothing to look forward to, nothing to change the routine. This was not food. This was monotony. Number 3. This is where it gets real. Watered down stew. In theory, a stew should be rich, filling, balanced. But in early prisons, it was stretched, thinned, made to feed more people with less food, a few vegetables, small bits of meat, mostly water. And yet, for many prisoners, this was the best meal they got. Think about that. This was not cooking. This was survival math. Number 2. Now this one is something most people overlook. Cold meal.